We got Bounce. Bounce on the right. Bounce. Taking his shot. Oh, Bounce. Reeves is holding Bounce. Oh. Yes, it's holding Bounce. Oh, man.
Mr. Orlando.
For Orlando leading the game. Orlando.
Bounce TV versus Bounce TV versus Chokoy.
Let's go, open and wide. And now Bounce is
Of this game, we have
Jonathan again. Spin is not working on. Understand, apa. Good D by Bounce there.
Bounce TV versus Chokoy.
We got Bounce. Bounce on the right. Oh, what a shot on that. Yes, it's Tolan. Vance. Oh, man!
move there on.
What's his name, partner? Bounce. There you go. Bounce. Taking his shot. Oh, 2-1.
What a skill set showed by Mr. Bounce. We have Orlando right here, not being intimidated to his opponent, showing his own moves. Teardrop shot. Pasa lang pala sa sarili yun. Mr. Orlando. Basket, that's good. Called by the referee. The basket is good. All two is the score on the 6 minutes and 28 seconds left remaining.
Orlando versus Jonathan. Yeah. We got Bounce on the set. Shot. No, in and out. Orlando. Good again. Medyo parang nagpipacing sila partner dito. Kanya-kanya pahinga.
Yeah, I mean, again, this one-on-one, based on all the previous games, seems like very exhausting. Kahit yung
Orlando, long range.
3-2 tayo, 3-2.
Let's still count by 1. Laman ako si Orlando going 2. We got Bounce. Oh, 2 ball from the ring. Orlando taking it in again. Medyo na parang nagkakapaan sila na ayaw magbantayan. Taking each other's move. Bounce. Too short of that. Orlando. Championship. Orlando. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Good champ. Bounce. Reeves is holding Bounce all the way.
Ayan na, pinapakita na talaga ni Mr. Bounce ang skills niya.
Orlando. He never backed down. He never backed down. Using long range. Oh!
5-3.
Kung may 2 points, tapos na. Kanina pa to. That's his third long range shot. 5-3. Oh my goodness.
Grabe yung dagdag skills niya ni Bounce, hindi naman nag-penetrate.
Long range again. Oh!
I don't know if Orlando keeps us getting the points outside of the arc. We only have 1 point, boy. But if you want to show your skills, then by all means you're welcome.
Hey! 4 minutes and 14 seconds.
6-4. 6-4 is the score. 4 minutes remaining in our time.
Down to 7 seconds.
Bounce taking his time. Orlando's possession. Is he going to take a three again? What now?
Orlando.
What?
Rebound by Bounce. 3 minutes and 43 seconds. Score 6-4. We're down to 7 seconds. 4, 3, 2. Down to 3 minutes. 6-4. Orlando leading the game. Orlando.
What?
It's alright. Go ahead. Three minutes, 7 seconds. Bounce. Versus foul.
7-4. 7-5.
Just a 1-point lead possession by Orlando. Is this possession not going to end the game?
7-5. It's 7-5.
Another possession for Orlando. Is he going to end this game? But of course, Mr. Bounce would not allow it.
In and out, almost in. 2 minutes, 55 seconds.
7, 5, 4. Oh!
Not
Possession by Orlando.
Orlando. The shooter.
Alright, doing the dribbling. 3,